The world is changing. The way we record live is also changing quietly. Did you notice this? More and more young people have been obsessed with a vlog to show themselves. But your phone camera shaking problem affects your creativity. Hey, Vimble 2. This is an extendable gimbal specially designed for smartphones, which will redefine your smartphone videography, make the videography more free. Hold the gimbal far away, say hi. Let us smile together in the same screen. A bit closer, baby looks more cute. A bit lower, close to the ground, let the skateboard at low altitude fly. Shooting is stable. You can try this way to record your life. Wherever it is straight snap, road trips, or a frolic on the grass. Unleash your creativity. Move your smartphone lens. Catch each dynamic moment by recording them like movie perfectly. Who says you cannot easily become a director? How wonderful that life ought to be. Born for a smartphone. That is Vimble 2. Hold your smartphone vertically and shoot. Get rid of the limited horizontal screen competition today. It has never been so easy to do live show.
Today is a beautiful day. A lot of mountains.
Vimble 2 is a good partner of your smartphone to inspire your potential of videography much easily. They work closely together. Phone lock from the gimbal keypad. The shot moves with you. You can also act as a professional photographer in full control of your shooting on the sports field. To take pictures or shoot videos, you need only to press the button. So easy. Lock your face with Vimble 2. Move your body, you are still the leading role. Newly object tracking feature. Recording has never been so convenient. Look, just a jaw and narrator on the screen. Capture the focus with ease. Vimble 2 makes your videology experience more innovative. As for new mobile time-lapse photography, regardless of motion trajectory or shooting speed, you can use app VCOO to control them at will. In addition, you are also to automatically shoot with Vimble 2, showing a more stable and shocking panorama shooting. Share your favorite trip moments with friends and family in real time. You are the superstar in social circle. Of course, Vimble 2 has more dazzling side, more stylish and colorful appearances for your choice. With Vimble 2, you would certainly love shooting recording.